Ashanti Region, second vice chairman. And the no first vice, Yura Sharif, or Kwaswansi for by-elections. And I'm push it by first vice, Namine Yura FF2. Me Juma pa, me Juma. And 2014, man could be. And I'm say about 2018, number we need first vice. Ewo ejura. Na ya na nipa kasa asebwe. Me ba ekra Dominic de abome so say. Ye to abama o say ko na ene una betima cheki wontumi. Sa woti ase. O ma yin sa asem no. Eye so obi abeka, but me ntimi cheki chairman, first vice ntimi cheki chairman. Ana yeah.
There be chairman is
ntimi cheki no. Die meye bia no mitimi ye di nkomo baby e wo se kodwa to aye ko, but ntimi cheki chairman sa ma nenye yi se woni ne beko woni ne be den. You can only advise because who first vice form no da one talk. Chairman one to na koto first vice. I'm also the chairman pertaining to the office now. Me wene no. Until we all have to help. Say the beya party no beating me about power. And we did all that. Party ni ba power. O my me freeway. One who say, what did you see any pension? Any 6 executives, any regional chairman. Want you. Esa the party na ho odin ni sunsum eba form. So se wo ye regional executive na woni wo regional chairman kwa ana se akansie bi ana se mentimi ho ase bamu a eye den na constituency ni eso ne constituency chairman eye wontwi a ubetimi apushi nipa ne se me de ne ba discipline committee. So it will never be good, says I know man beba. Enti at the party ni sunsum ni na ho odin dey e perform. Enti masamba say yen two regional chairman no emame. A regional first vice no emame. Now one thing that make me a year ama Ashanti region. Me boa me regional chairman ni revive the discipline committee. Me ye adwuma wo under FF2. By then, no, not the regional discipline committee chairman, Dr. Insiansari. So what you say? And then penny for so account. And the mention of discipline committee crowd Emma will be about form. Or mind sometimes uko constituency B platform, WhatsApp platform now we share say the police station for BAD and now see a cassette chairman near the Adina. I saw. Intimidate me fee say the discipline committee no. Me boa me regional chairman bia ye be yini bia no to install the discipline.
Okay.
And Ashanti region. There were 48, there were 47 constituencies me boa. Me name regional chairman bia ye be yini bia no ye be no 48 constituencies.
Why 48?
Exactly. That is a good question. No, Abusame no. Omai, yetu abebia ubonhu se. I see Dunkatia General, Honorable, about to say assembly elections, you know. NPP, NDC are sweeping in and no assembly election a test case for every political party or Ghana hebia. Both NPP and NDC. So what I say November election, yeah. America for Ebekoi between Republican midterm elections, you know, that would determine Democrat and Republicans who to win 2028. Oh my, Nyamia Yamadum assemblyman, Tina, the Amame Kasa, and say, my dear assemblyman for almost 20 years. Minimu yepa. Oh my, in the Obekaya, Century Yakaya who came and now assembly no, a shiki, yes, be a pentokwa, but the per se, a jina ye, na Kumasi for so benefit. Because Kumasi 420 they run the assembly no. And Pembebre no. Every year, 4 years, be a better a bar and this for be winning no. Your co-opposition I was anti-memoir. the reason being that in say NPP share the constituency executives. No, I share the polling station for. It ends there. Now ya jai timamufu no the general electorate no. Ni ya jai womu. Na womu no ababe under the care of the assembly members in the unit committee. Freeze assemblyman no, maame no, anasa babawa no, anasa papa no, ope baby a pomade, ope baby a yitria, okwa assemblyman ho, na assemblyman man baby di ni containers. One unit committee. And they are very close to the people no then more than the party.
Yeah.
And it says uncle for way assemblyman. I can say MP obemo I am popular easy. Oh my, wokani ashi assemblyman. Nana any unit committee. Ya catch him say kani ashi I didn't know that mama my who they win him. Makachi MP was so memfa me nkwasa asem nko no ha. Sa na MP ne ko gina ano awiam tu abama no no ka kire. Wase wawi o. Ubeda MP ubeda ati. Enti every resource will be abeko one constituency, but we have to make sure say yen crop for assembly members, they will also benefit. Sa se mo inise kameka no radio so. Because my unim say me my assemblyman. Assemblyman manya the highest vote in the whole Ghana 2 times. And this is for you to mommy. Sometimes when I talk to him, I say, oh, MP na podi edenya abane de ebeto amano. Because I mentioned him say edenya NDC one day onweni, but presidential ne de honorable ebeto ama NDC. O man ye can be the bia. Whereby your assemblyman who the goodwill with your people who voted for you. Any unit committee for. Enti me nka ehɔ no nkɔ bebree. Enti
assembly elections edimunya.
Bebree.
And 2023 echo 2024 the crowd it was worse in Ashanti.
Exactly.
Edian is here. MPs no ne assembly members no monkita udi ankoyi.
Enkoyi bebree enkoyi. Me kura no frɛ.
People need the also on the assembly members ne electoral areas no oman farm ahom.
Unim. Na me ma na poye adie bi. Every 4 years in the circle no. We community debes. So what I say? We community debes. Now watch every electoral area biano. Womani swadi huna woma womu. So what I say? Because we call parliament now kotna parliament. Ye di u constituency ene frɛ wo ye modi. Honorable Kwada so honorable Menshia South, honorable Menshia North. Enti bibi bia na oba in parliament bia no eye the welfare of your constituents. Enti se wantimi ani wo mo ani nkita ho wo sa akwanya we so a. Ene o ti parliament a one way ya unhunu de unkrofo hia because a happy local government me more district needing our north. Now what happened is what happened is woman now they were looking for toilet, but not this year soon him say woman do mu dwade no nnuane ni no ma no badwa so a no mu market no mu pese wo ye den omuhia enti DC no un say local government so no with the consultation with the the district na woman no they couldn't consult them womu am participating no mkosi market the people were not patronizing the market enti bebusa womu no what they told us and say masa kamba busa ya per toilet instead of say modi we no ebesi o because of say mama public na participate on the project in intino amodi banintino ma hu the real project a omope so enti the American say I was say NPP in this 2023-2024 assembly elections any unit committee edi enya say mani di enya dia ebeye din pa Until we have to set up a committee, a beboa. Say chairman FFN to say, we can set up a committee. Wamubetimi and negotiate. Na the ana ya rehoso wo ye side na ma ilusu kese assemblyman na unit committee ni say oman ubeko baabi no na NPP form ye say gina. Uka se we entrance ya obi ampene. So obi ampene enti na afei womu nyina akogina na NDC assemblyman no afam and most of them from ba omunyo mu say NDC o. Onye ne hu say
we ni we an obo hu so NDC.
Exactly. So
It was say NPP for bensa.
Yes, na womu nyina no akogina. But meanwhile no say step down ba ko step down
ni agree.
Yeah, agree.
There's a mun to me agree.
Exactly.
And I want to mean come home.
Because of say
the bottom line is you are not supposed to be partisan with the elections.
It's a partisan. If the government I didn't MPC be any ye. Nanado danko akufo ne ba umi ade bae no. Ye nkrofo ni antiase. Because ute was the assembly no. Well, 30% of the assembly members should be government appointees. Now government appointees me NDC wo obey me century say me government appointee man. When you me, but the man na kwesi na yi NDC for no and no modiako. So it's originally no, it's a partisan. Well, and there's one secret in the assembly. Yewura Kwabena Nsenkyire former Nyamefa ne Krensi former President Rollins Oman Kanchre. Oman, you see obia one ko school crabit my assemblyman. Meanwhile no, ye kwadwini Kumase ho ya tro ne brofo. Ye koye budget, ya tro ne brofo. And to go school, how can I read the budget and understand? Because sometimes, Ubon say, yeah, budget in every now assemblyman be aqua letter say me food bridge. But meanwhile, food bridge, yeah, budget, one more budget and capture of food bridge. Okay. So where are we going to have that money to build your food bridge?
Okay.
So, and the idea, the MPP has to take good care of it. So, we have to take good care of assembly members.
Okay. Now, assembly members in this year, no. Woman, NDC ajiwomo.
Oh, na say it's never too late. Say the nama, and the nama.
I say I know 1,002. 1,003. They say Oma can 6 months and boom at Tiama Omo.
I win him.
And they say I'll go home assemblyman be a Shanhobe 8K.
And Tinam and America say.
And then I just a moment promise it. 1,008.
I know the
Mr. Amu promised you 2,000.
No, Mr. Amu say Omomuniska.
Now you got my promise.
Na edempa na watimide Mr. Kyo Kone Joseph Amu abetinai.
I don't know do my better.
Hey, oh my usu yebi o Kumasi o sofo. Wow, intimidate the make say first vice and I deserve it. Minim the meet me aye aboa o my no. Any the new patriotic party. Ama the new patriotic party no.
And as a so moye operations.
Exactly.
Yeah, operations just say we do man.
Case close. Fa say Nancy ane beto aba. E wo afo atwuma ngwa bi aganof. Nti na injunction da so. Ti bi wo ha na Dr. You frame Century bra sisi a na me kofi. Na o se o atwuma ngwa bi aganof. CID or co-organizer was aba na yetuo. Esi injunction da so muntiminto. Na esi wadam for ne sa lawyer no. I'm say when say any problem. Me fa phone papa. Nam say me wo Dr. You ho we wa. What you say? Abano injunction ni yen to abano. Enti e bo be ya na dwo be 10. And I'm a free constituency chairman or say dem wo dundum the phone and I'm a free si ni baso. I'm say chairman so phone na a channel pa monko to abano. Injunction ya suspended. Entiase bi na ama but they negotiate ama mo si yesimo yi o mun krofo afiri mu nkrofo no ye de o machine o mun koto o maba no case close so enti operations no
be obetimi ni nipa na
edi komo a good politician
betima ma koma to ye
exactly enti se obey first vice chairman now ye mum na se sa no ma we wuntimi get involved one kasa no wudi wuni bi chairman ne bebre hwɛ beginning ya ni me want to me ye winning ye no na nya better but now needed chairman want me to trust me into one my friend chairman who won't cry mate se okwa kra o say ai chairman again na metimi aye aboa wa bra we anyway was wo ene asemasi nkasa wahu na me menda ye bi wo ho monko ampa me kwa aye na nyame na me bonsa na ya region disika ba ne abonsa na jameti akonwam me na me represent chairman makunkun so what you say enti I was say woman the relationship of trust about between wo and wo chairman ni mu so what you say but we say chairman mama juma and ayajima juma adwuma no so adwuma na wanyi na obi akwaje go and look for the adwuma no and do it na me can we me di manusie me converting na de me kan titia ne say me ene metima ye ba wo me adwuma wa Asante mamu a obi a betimi aye obi a se wo ye Brian nipo betimi aye so wo ye Kennedy nipo betimi aye but yes wo hene ba ne de ni papa ye den atiase omai unim se me da wa na dwoa na me ka kire me free chairman untumi na me nye first vice crown ne atumi na me chairman said de enoma no ekoso no aba omia consider defeat no yenko bo ne chidom
first person
exactly me ko ho me bo amane me se de baba bio Asante man de baba bio ye be ye o se de ye da na do danko akufu ado no omai omane no munam kra no aye baba sinim se nyo munyina kra na ne yo de course atem didie
and the way ya omo ye opa
radio
but na so way justified
exactly so what you say enti mimi di kind no so what you say me di kind of mawurade
I say Jesus Christ
exactly enti se mimi ye first vice chairman e was Asantemamu na ba wo mi be president nyame adom 2029 obeba ba wo mi be president na se me ye first vice chairman the chairman be hwehwe bia free no ho bia no de be ka chair so me so metimi akopri bi aso de ama constituency for no so enti me de make kire constituency executives ni say de okra wo hene akwakoda ene de oni wo hene da hwan na wo asem a wo de beja no
tiawa
ti me da masi bebre
the Kwabena Nsenkyire vying to be the first vice na I was until man tem hano there we are Mr. Joseph Hamon now